1 2 1 2 testing. 1 million, 2 million, 3 million.
Trading is all about experience. It's to feel the adrenaline running through our veins. Like all the things we do that excite us. Whatever world we come from or live in, there are people that are born to succeed. They're called special, to hustle every day for an opportunity of a lifetime. Looking for the challenge to shape our future is something that's in our DNA. A privilege just available for a few. Traders, we see things differently, paying attention to every small detail that would maybe go unnoticed by the common eye. On or by the edge is our playground, with a constant strive for glory, seeking for a new tomorrow. Do you feel special?
Hello, Thomas.
Take back
How are you,
control
Thomas?
of your investments.
Morning, Thomas.
Morning, morning, good afternoon, good evening. Oh, what a nice picture of Biden and Trump. Can you see this? Amazing.
That's wrong on so many levels.
Crazy.
I opened
Crazy.
up Financial Times and this is what welcomed me. It's definitely AI.
Yes.
Well, no, it's not right. Trump would never kiss a man.
Well,
Biden,
not with his lips, maybe with his fist. Biden, you never know. He might tibble on his ear.
yeah, he gets so confused. He doesn't know, like, is it right or wrong. Oh well. How are you guys today? Fantastic morning.
What's up, brother? How you doing? Finally here.
Luis.
Finally have my setup done over here in France. Let's go.
Ça va?
Ça va ou quoi, mon frère?
Je ne sais pas, voulez-vous?
Je ne
Crème
sais pas
brûlée.
aussi. Croissant.
Fromage? How you doing in France?
I'm doing good. I saw snow for the first time. It's too cold. Jesus.
Really? First time? Wow.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you did mention
Yeah.
last time.
Yeah.
How was it? Cold, isn't it?
Cold it. And I'm a skateboarder and I went to do snowboard and I know how to do this. Oh, I fall so many times. It's
Yeah.
crazy.
That's why they invented the travel insurance, especially for skiing. Jesus, that's a dangerous sport.
Let's go.
All right, Punanis. Let's put some music on.
Szervusz Tamás, sziasztok!
Szia, Laci. So, today we have something called ECB interest rate decision first. It's a very data-packed day. Tesla reported earnings yesterday or today, don't know. Boeing fall pre-market, IBM, American Airlines rise. So many things to look out for. So today is going to be definitely a volatile day. Not necessarily possible to make correlations between asset classes, because I think every trader is going to focus on what they specialized in. And these are the kind of days when correlations break down aggressively. For example, between dollar and gold, you saw this morning that gold was rising, dollar was dropping. Simply because of the fact that we have ECB interest rate decision in 10 minutes. Then we're going to have, in 25 minutes, the biggest or the largest economy in the world is going to report the fourth quarter GDP. Remember that there was a Black Friday and a Christmas period in Q4 2023, something like 3 weeks ago. Then we have jobless claims, consumer spending, inventories, and if it wasn't enough, we have the earnings season. So it's one of the craziest week we experienced for a long time. Let's see who's reporting today in the earnings calendar. Visa is the largest, but that's post-market. A lot of companies. Let's quickly read the summary. Investing.com, I highly recommend. They have very good summaries about what to expect and what's ahead during the day. Tesla stock fell 8.5% after CEO Elon Musk warned that electric vehicle giant expects to see notably lower sales growth in 2024. That's one of the reasons because of the decreasing demand globally. IBM stock rose 6 after tech giant focus on revenue growth about expectation, banking on demand for its IT software. Apple.
Hi, Tamás.
Was it Apple earnings release yesterday?
Yes.
Wow, when I wasn't trading yesterday because it was my wife's birthday. So many things happened. So it's definitely a crazy week, crazy day. What a time to be alive. Yeah, Tesla.
Right.
Where's Apple? I think Apple reported. Where's Apple? Never mind. So, what we're focusing, as always, is going to be the hard data. The Fed, who controls, the largest sum of money in the whole world, the ECB is going to report in about 8 minutes. We did have, or we attempted to analyze the market from the ECB perspective, but truth to be told, it's a difficult day. So even myself, trying to restrain myself from trading, because it's difficult to predict what's going to happen. We know that the ECB won't raise interest rates, so they're going to keep it on hold as long as possible, which makes things a bit interesting. we have two economies, the US and the Eurozone. And I try to speculate on the interest rate differential. ECB won't cut interest rate today. The Fed won't cut interest rate next week. Which one is going to cut interest rate first? Ahead in time, in the future. So it's a couple of months, a few months. So it's difficult to predict which one is going to do. I'm not really sure what's going to happen today with the ECB interest rate decision, but according to the analysis that we speculated on, it's going to be a push on gold to the upside because of the dollar weakening and euro and gold strengthening. So that said, I was expecting a bit push to the upside and then further continuation lower. And I'm going to enter into a small buy. So it's only like 2 lots, nothing crazy. That's for the ECB interest rate decision, speculating that actually if I raise the stop loss to 30 pips, let's make it 30 pips. And going back into trading view, we should do a 2025, I think that's a reasonable target. I'm bearish on gold, but the ECB interest rate decision could bring us some pre-GDP movement to the upside. So it's kind of like buy the news and sell the fact type of scenario. I'm not too sure, but I'm adapting a small front run on the ECB interest rate decision. This is not financial advice, especially today when things are not 100% sure what's going to happen. So many things in the market to look out for. Adrian Marwan helped me in the morning and many other traders to analyze the market, but it just sometimes it's just way too difficult to make sense. And today is definitely one of those days.
Front running with you, my brother.
Yeah.
Full margin.
Those of you who didn't like the YouTube stream, please hit the like button now. It's a feedback for me that, you know, I'm doing something right. Oh, 1p profit. Close. Make the money, take the money. 2 pips profit. For double your money Thursday. What do you think is going to happen today with all this news? ECB interest rate decision, GDP, jobless claims, consumer spending.
Volatility and manipulation, probably.
Oh yeah, big time.
Oh yeah, big time.
Manual intervention.
Me pot.
Hi Thomas, good day.
Hello Muhammad Qasim. Oh, look at that nice beard. And look at that smile. I love you, brother.
I am new one in Alpha family.
Oh,
and
welcome.
I'm very much delighted to join your team.
Let's go, brother. Your life is about to change.
We'll see about that. Welcome. How do you like it so far with us?
Yes, brother. Yes. Actually, I am sick. I have a sciatica pain, and I have bought this membership 1 week ago, but I could not make it to come on live. But today I am able to sit and see live to join you. So
Very nice.
I am here, and almost I am on YouTube following you 2022.
Wow, that's a long time. Did you attend the morning briefing today, Muhammad?
Yes, I uploaded version. I have attended that. I am very much delighted and learning.
Oh, such a cute guy. Thank you. So we
And
had the
thank
morning
you for
brief.
your generosity. You have given me a discounted price, and thank you for this.
Always, brother.
Again, thank you.
So we had the morning briefing today, where we discussed, we looked at the yields and tried to come up with a sort of scenario analysis and strategy to see which direction the euro and the dollar and gold is heading. Didn't factor in too much on stocks. It's just way too many things to focus at one time. So if I can give one advice to new traders, is try, less is more sometimes. Try to focus on things try to focus on less things and master them. Be a master of your profession. But if you're focusing on so many things, that's when you're going to get very, very wrong. So if you look at my watch list, I'm mostly focused on gold, some currency pairs, but the number one thing I focus first is always, economics, because that's what drives the market. And we have less than 1 minute 18 seconds until we have 1 minute until the ECB interest rate decision. Position running in 7 pips of profit. Oh my god, we're going to buy our first Lamborghini today. In it, bro.
Yes.
Not a Porsche, Thomas.
Yeah, Porsche. Sorry, Porsche. But Lamborghini is more sellable on YouTube.
Yes.
So, overall, I'm bearish on gold, but ECB interest rate decision could spin the table around. I think that's where we're gonna get the manipulation today. And we have 40 seconds to go. Let's see how the front-running position is gonna work out. This is not financial advice. I entered at my own risk, based on the speculation that we had earlier this morning. We have 17 seconds to go. Buckle up, get your credit cards ready. Hopefully it's going to be a triple your money Thursday. And we have 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. I'm expecting no change from the ECB. Let's have a look quickly. So far the market is...
Yeah, no change.
Yeah, well, as expected. So there's no change. And that's when the real thinking comes in, whether we were correct in the morning briefing when we speculated that because there will be no change. We expecting a euro strengthening against the dollar, but so far the market is muted. This is FX is asking, what's the front-running position? Front-running position is when we front-run the market, so we try to come up with a speculative position, such as this one you can see on the screen, and we analyze the market from monetary policy perspective, from macroeconomic perspective, fundamentals, market sentiment, factoring and everything. And what we speculated this morning was a strengthening of the euro based on a no change interest rate from the ECB. And so far it's running in 15 pips of profit, but GDP is coming up in 10 minutes or 15 minutes, so we have to be very, very cautious and careful because the market can turn easily. And right now you can see on the chart gold is ranging. It's forming a very nice bear flag, so it confirms my general direction or general bias, which is going to be bearish, but I'm expecting gold to push a little bit higher into the sell zone between 2025 to 2032. So far the market is muted, so we might have to close down the buy a little bit earlier because the market isn't moving up
I have
yet.
closed my buy.
But you close in profit, right?
Yes, 100 to 105 euros. It's okay.
Mate, 100 euros in 5 minutes.
Yes, for me it's okay. And maybe the big move.
Oh, whoa, whoa.
Whoa, oh!
18 pips of profit. Whoop. Oh, 20 pips of profit. Triple your money Thursday.
Pumping.
Pump it up. 23 pips of profit. Wow, guys, easy day, easy life.
You have saw the crazy call from Julian, Tamas? The drop from US
No,
30?
no, I haven't seen it. What was it like?
Crazy. Crazy. Such a nice call.
I've never traded US 30. You should look-
It's good. US
Is
30
it?
follows technicals very, very nicely
Yes.
when it wants to.
Okay.
Julian reads US 30 very, very, very.
He's the new market maker. He's
From
milking the
US
market.
30, yes. The 30,000 euro guy.
He's the
Uh,
real milker.
Yeah, he withdrew from FTMO $30,000 this month alone.
No.
Yeah.
Fair
By
enough.
the way, those of you who would like to get the analysis, I do every single day, so you can see this is the members' discourse. This is what we discuss. This is where the magic happens. So this is where I send out the daily game plan, what to do if this happens or that happens. It's like a scenario type of analysis. There's a lot of research going in. You can see loads of narrative goes into, but also you get the simple version of kind of like signals where you get the chart. But if it's still not enough, I do share when and where I enter the market. So for example, this morning I entered into a buy position, and after 45 or 50 pips, I closed it down, bagging in £1,600 or £1,700. And of course, so this kind of like a notification, a signal. So if you'd like to join, should we do a discount today?
Depends if you get.
Yeah.
100
If the position stays in profit for the next 1 minute, I'm going to throw in a discount.
Thomas,
We'll see. Yeah.
how come Euro USD hasn't moved at all? Like it's in the same place.
Say that again.
How come Euro USD has not moved at all? It's in the same place.
Don't know. I don't really trade Euro USD, but I think it's traders are cautious, maybe. Don't know. We'll have a look in a second.
There's a press conference in about 30 minutes.
Oh, Lagarde is going to speak later, doesn't she?
Yeah, so the data is as expected. So the price won't move that much, and everyone is waiting for Lagarde, her speech. That's
Did
the
you
reason
see the
why.
articles about Lagarde that she was attacked by Parliament, that she's not doing a good
Yes.
job?
Yes.
Properly.
She's not the right person.
Yeah.
Who
Okay,
is?
those of you who like to join, I'm sending a link into the YouTube chat, closing it in 5 minutes. And looking at the position, still running in 16 pips. But I have to close it down soon, unfortunately. Ooh, Saif has a very strong opinion. The dollar will get stronger after the unemployment claim because it will come lower and gold will be going down, and I'm short position, hope for the best. Yes, that's the general plan we've been waiting for. But before that, I was expecting, or we were expecting, a bit of a push to the upside. So I do agree with Saif. And by the way, the link I posted is the original £200 joining fee. So it's only for free members because everyone asked for discounts today. Let's have a look how many minutes we have until the data release. Peace and relaxation. Yes, I do. So everything is, it's recorded on the website, in morning briefings. I do have some learning videos for technical analysis and also for economics where you can watch on the website. I'm still planning to, do more videos, but the thing is, markets are moving so fast that every single day it's better to do live trading instead of do pre-recorded videos, because maybe by the time I record the videos it will be outdated because interest rate cuts or raises. But yes, there are learning videos on the website.
even after the ECB, DXY is moving.
Good evening, everybody.
Hershey.
Hey, yo. What's good?
It's cracking,
Gold.
boy.
Excellent.
21 pips of profit.
Yeah, boy.
You're in buys?
Just for now, but I'm going to close it down soon because we have a few minutes.
Yeah.
6 minutes.
7 minutes, 6 minutes.
Freaking hell. Yeah, I'm going to close it down. I'm going to close it down. Maybe push a little. No, close down. Closed. So what I'm aiming for is a sell based on the data.
GJ struggled today to do anything.
Hey Thomas, I think building permits data is released before that 6 minutes.
Could be investing.com.
Yes, it
Yeah,
was.
it was already. It was like 45 minutes ago.
Okay.
But it's almost no change virtually. If you look at the screen, it's insignificant.
Yeah. Question is, should we change positions into sells?
What do you think?
Still, if you look at the range, I'm expecting a bit of a push to the upside, and then further continuation down. But again, depending on the data. But today, just so many data, guys. It's almost impossible to focus on everything. We just had the ECB interest rate decision. GDP is coming up. Jobless claims is coming up. Consumer spending is coming up. Crazy day. Crazy day. But the general bias is definitely a sell, so I'm thinking to enter into a counter position now, or switch position to sell, because the general bias was sell. But I'm expecting price to come a little bit higher, so call me, a week, or I'm afraid. But yeah, my gut feeling is that we're going to tap into at least the daily pivot. If
Just
not
wait
the
for the
weekly.
data.
Yeah, but the thing is, today just so many data, it's going to move like this. Yeah, it's called FOMO, but because I am very, very biased to the downside, I'm thinking to enter maybe one lot. Henko says pump to 2026 and drop to 2000. Yeah, that's what I'm expecting, as you can see on the chart.
It'd be a big move just for a spike. But there's a lot of data.
Four minutes, huh?
Ooh.
Ah, Habibi. Who's buying? Who's selling, guys? Yes, like this.
Yes.
I wait for data, Adrian.
Me too. Me too. Me too.
Me too.
I'm thinking about
Awesome.
placing a sell limit at 2022. Maybe one small lot with stop loss 2027.
Yeah, I was thinking the same.
This is my thoughts. Okay, I placed a sell limit. Stop loss 2027. Small lot, one lot. Okay, let's go.
TYM is asking, paid, how to join. Read your welcome email, brother. Check your spam folder. Mm, 2 minutes. And I'm very biased to the downside. The GDP is, yeah, I'm expecting GDP to be higher because of Christmas. Yeah, let's enter into a sell. Well, I'm entering into a sell. Front running based on my bias. Liban says no sells, just buys.
I'm in. No stop loss. I'm kidding.
No stop loss Thursday.
No.
What's your stop loss, Tamas?
2020. A little bit above 2020. But again, data is not out. 1 minute 30 seconds. And then we're going to, maybe price is going to pump up. My gut feeling is price is going to pump up, but I don't want to miss a big sell, so I entered into a small sell position. This is to control my FOMO.
You're only human. Yeah, MT4 popping off.
Adrian, did you delete your sell limit?
No, I jump into the cell. I have FOMO.
Yeah, I heard it. I heard it.
I have fucking FOMO.
Don't give in. Don't give in.
I'll be honest, guys.
It's alright. Control the risk. No problem.
Yes. The second. Waterfall, maybe.
I mean, we had such a good day yesterday and today. Oh, sorry, Tuesday and today, because I wasn't trading yesterday. 15 seconds to go. And here we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And the data is out. Data is out. What the data is? What is the data?
$300.
It's a...
Yes.
What's the GDP? 3.3. Very, very inflationary. Very inflationary.
Yes, Tamas. Thank you, brother.
Yeah, boy.
Dziękuję, kurwa.
Yes, my friend.
Okay, hold on. Okay, position is running in 40 pips of profit. But let's have a look on the data. If you're scalping, take profit now. Well, it's not financial advice. You do whatever you want with your money.
It's maxed.
But it's wobbly, very wobbly. Price is moving up and down. Having a look at the data, GDP definitely inflationary. Initial jobless claims, that's deflationary, brothers. I have to say, so it's quite mixed. Continuing jobless claims, again deflationary. Real consumer spending 2.8, that's deflationary. No, closing down the position. Right now, closing down.
Good.
See you, Balázs.
Oh man.
Nem.
Such a good week.
People calling Thomas to buy or sell.
No,
megnézzük, lehet, hogy a padláson visszük el, de ha nem, akkor meg kell
This is the call who he moves called to the downside now.
Jó.
I'm calling with Powell.
Jó. Rendben, szia Balázs. I'm here. So, the reason why I quickly changed my position, because the data was quite mixed. This is the problem is when you have too many data. GDP 3.3, very inflationary, but the jobless claims is actually significantly greater from the forecast, and it's on the rise. So the original plan is gonna wait to see how the data is reacting for the daily and the weekly pivot. You can see it's climbing up, so the original plan A is in play for now. Going to see the reaction for the daily pivot. If we're lucky, it's going to bounce off, or it's going to be 2029. Upgun says buy now, boss. No, not jumping in. This is where, you know, I have to draw a line. Front running, yes, it's fine, but no, not jumping in just yet. let the market shake out the weekends, and then when everyone is bleeding, I'm going to come in and massacre the
Look that
remaining
way.
bodies. Yeah.
And now I'm going to join as well.
So 20, 26, 20, 30. That's the kind of area I'm looking for sells. But even 2020 is in place. So even the current price level could be. But I'm waiting. Original plan was price is going higher. And then, oh, look at that. And it's going higher. I'm not joking to buy. You do whatever you want, but I'm not. Uplifting workout. Oh, look at that rejection from the daily pivot.
Crazy.
Sell again?
Yes, I entered a sell.
I'm done for the day. I made $500 today. I'm good.
500 euros per day. That's an excellent day rate.
Yes, for me. So for me, it's good. I'm still in my challenge, my funded account, and slowly but surely, I make my own analysis now, Thomas, and everything worked well at the moment. You know.
Yeah, this is the time when you have to stop. So that's why I entered into a sell.
Yes.
It's only 2 lots, so don't go crazy. It's it's baby lots. You have to give back something to the market as well. Otherwise, you know, it's sacrifice on the altar of trading. How strong is the daily pivot? You can see price is failing to break it through yet. And now the market is debating which one is stronger, the inflationary GDP data or the deflationary jobless claims. And if you look at the real consumer spending, that's slightly deflationary as well. So it's really 50-50%, guys. So both directions are absolutely correct. Question is what the market sentiment is going to pick up. I could not hear a single word, brother.
But still in the range, huh?
Yeah. Still
in the range.
Daily pivot is so far holding up very nicely.
Yes.
The bear flag is holding up. Liban Bila says, I told you gold will fly. Yes, but before it dropped like 30 pips.
Thomas, tomorrow we have morning briefing?
Maybe an afternoon session, live session for later.
Okay.
How about that?
Okay. Because I leave you guys alone now.
Well, you made money. And just
Yes, I made money, and I'm preparing food for the girls. They are at the playground, and I prepare the dinner for the girls.
It's a nice
okay?
pierogi and vodka.
No, it's ground beef, Wagyu ground beef, very tasty.
Oh.
And a beautiful salad. Okay.
Very nice. Say hi to
Okay,
the girls. Cześć. Bye bye.
Thank you very much.
Dziękuję.
See you, brother. See you, brother.
Best team. The best community. Okay, bye.
Let's go, brother.
Abag asking, are you on Salbos? Yes, but it's not looking good, I have to admit. The speculation was that the daily pivot is going to hold. The general bias is sell, but because we have the mixed data, GDP is inflationary, jobless claims is deflationary. Yeah, I'm about to get closed out. You can see if you look, we have 2 entries. The one of them is now because of the daily pivot. The second one is a little bit higher at 2026. No, I got stopped out. Position stopped out. So we had 1 winning and 1 losing position. That's... I don't have any open positions. And now just waiting to see the next price level, which is going to be 2026. But still, price is fighting the daily pivot. It's a tough day, guys, I have to admit. Very mixed data, jobless claims deflationary, GDP inflationary, consumer spending deflationary. So let's see how the market is going to react to the next price level, which is 2029, 2030. Even in the YouTube chat, people are disagreeing whether it's a buy or a sell. Yeah, it's mixed data, guys. Wait, best to wait. Is it going to push back below the daily pivot to go back again to retest 2029? And after that, we don't have ECB press conference in 5 minutes. Now that can move the market. And once again, we are at the daily pivot, going below. So again, the general market direction is bearish. I'm looking for sells. Buy the new sell effect. What do you think, guys?
Possible.
Yeah, I'm trying again too.
Yeah, I'm entering into another sell. Still 2 lots, nothing crazy. So I'm keeping the losses between, you know, 400 and 800 pounds. Profit this morning was 1600 plus 2000 from yesterday, so that's 3600. So I have, like, you know, quite a few shots to stay in profit. ECB press conference is definitely going to be hawkish. Christian Lagarde made his points in the past 12 months that you know, they're not going to stop, and they're going to hold interest rate as long, as high as needed.
Press conference is about to begin. And as you said, sell the facts, I guess.
I hate when there's so many data, when there's too many data at once.
We just like the adrenaline.
Those of you just joined the community, check your email, because a welcome email is automatically sent out. If the link expires or anything, drop me an email and I send you a new one. Liban Bila says gold is going to 2,100. My idea, his idea. Anything is possible. I'm not saying. I've seen pretty much a lot on the market. Anything is possible, brother. Tarek is asking how to set the pips counter on the screen. If you look at the screen right now, if I go down, can you see where I move where I have my account? If you go down, it's called Blue Digits FX Open Trades. Just go to the Meta Marketplace and add it to your indicator list, and then you just drag and drop onto your MetaTrader screen, and it will automatically add the pip counter. Did the press conference start?
1 minute.
Ah. Let's listen into the press conference.
She should be speak now.
Team White is asking, is there any news for today? A lot, brother, a lot of news. Have a look on the economic calendar. We just had USA printing GDP for Q4 2023. We had continuing and initial jobless claims, ECB monetary policy statement, interest rate decision. What else? Consumer spending. It's a lot. It's a lot going on. So looking at the live position, it's running in 10 pips of profit for now. And the meeting has begun. So I'm going to lower the... I'm expecting Lagarde to deliver a hawkish speech. But I'm not sure how the market is going to perceive that she's been, how to say, she's losing trust. So as the ECB because of her.
Liz trust.
Thomas, your video is a bit behind, if you notice the live. Yeah.
Is it better now?
Yeah.
If she delivers a hawkish speech, gold is going to drop, most likely.
Good afternoon and welcome to the ECB press conference. Joined on stage here by President Lagarde and Vice President de Guindos. We are also connected via video link to some journalists outside